A well-designed numbering system is important for identification and makes sToolTracker more manageable as well as easier to use and analyze. sToolTracker uses the standard built-in number series system of Business Central. To get started, open up the number series card and select New. There are two codes to define for sToolTracker, the tools and the tool BOM. Enter the code and the description and the actual series number that you wish to use. As per usual in Business Central, you can use any numbering system, start date and end number. We also add the series number for our tool BOM. Enter the code and the description and again define the actual series number system that you wish to use. sToolTracker supports the assignment of serial and lot numbers to the tools. This is very similar to assigning serial and lot numbers to inventory items in the warehouse. In fact, sToolTracker follows the same convention. In this context, we enter a serial number and lot number system for our tools which we will use later on.